think it's steaming. Now I utilize the water from the onion that I previously microwaved to give it a different taste. See what it tastes like. Four minutes to go. It seems like nothing structurally is changing, no color, no decoloration. It's like just going around and getting hot. The water starts boiling, but the potato itself is a sweet potato. Does not apparently have any change. Very interesting. No skin bubbling, nothing, just remains. The microwave is turning because the wave link only travel up and down. So by moving or turning the product, it hit different trough, if you will, of the wave. The wave have a peak and a downward. So the downward side is what is hitting the object and making the molecules excite, and the vibration will hit them. So it's actually radiation what is warming this up. Now those little dots prevent the radiation from escape, or most of the radiation. I'm sure some is escaping, but the frequency is a little bigger than that hole, so it will not allow it to escape. Well, that is the theory. For reality, yeah, I don't have no idea. But I know it works because we can see it. I still don't see no structural difference in the potato. Still the same to me. The potato is not even washed. I just put the liquid over it from the onion, and that was it. Cut the ends of it so it will not explode. The next one I might do it completely, see if it explodes. 46 seconds to go. No changes. Eight seconds to go. No changes, just the water boiling underneath. Nothing happened.